Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another excited DIY video. As you can tell, I dressed up a little, I guess, appropriately. So me and my friend Michelle have been talking about how much we love the Halloween and all kinds of horror movies. So can you guess what horror movie I am dressed up as? Yes, if you have not guessed, it is A Nightmare on the Elm Street. It's one of my all-time favorite movie as a child, which is, don't ask why, but even as an adult. And apparently it is Michelle's as well. She has quite a story. She actually met the actor, and I really hope I would get to still meet him at one of the Comic Cons. So anyway, so I talked to Michelle, and we both love the Nightmare on Elm Street, and we decided to collaborate together. And our theme for this challenge is inspired Nightmare on Elm Street DIY. So Michelle is my dear friend. If you don't know, her channel is Michelle's Cozy Home. I will link it right here on the screen. Please go check it out. She's an amazing crafter, and she became a dear friend to me. So anyway, today, as you guessed, we will be doing some Freddy Krueger DIY. So let's get right into it. Okay, so for this project, we will need a 14-inch wreath from the Dollar Tree. Then I got 4 different colors of mesh because I kind of trying to match it up, which is the brown, the red, actually 5, the black, and then this kind of yellowish, I guess, and this green. And I guess I used it before. I don't know what I did, but this is what I'm going to be using. This 5 color mesh. And then I have this cool sign that's gonna go here. And from my Halloween costume, I had a glove, a hat, and I want to make a little something at the bottom, so I printed out what it says. I want to rock and roll all night and never sleep again. I thought it was really suiting for me, so I cut it from the box. And what I'll do, I'll just glue it over and Mod Podge it, and it will be one of my decorations for the wreath. So, as always, I'm going to pre-cut my mesh, and this is my handy dandy board where I stretch my mesh, and it's always a 7-inch long. And then when it's ready all cut, I will use my I guess twisters from the Dollar Tree. Again, it doesn't matter what color because it's all gonna be hidden under the mesh. So that is all what we'll need for this project. So let's start working on it. Okay, so the red, the beige, I guess, and green, brown, and black. So all pre-cut. And now I'm going to show you, I'm making 2 different kind of wrap-ups. So what I'll do, I'll get this one on, and I usually roll this way for the cute little bows, but I want it to be stringy, so I'm going to roll this way. So just like that, then you hold it, and I get a black one. And then I put it together and take one of the zip ties. Well, that's what I call it. It's a twisters or whatever they are. And just twist. And there's one. So now I'll do the 3 other colors together, which is this beige one, green, and brown. And tie it together again. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do with all my pre-cuts, and then I will assemble the wreath. Okay, so the wreath is ready. Also, in this video, I will be using my new Cordless plus detailed high temperature glue gun that I got as a promotional package from Surebonder. They also sent me this full-size glue gun that I have not used it, this lovely mat, and lots of different glue sticks. That I really love this one because it's cordless, it has a dripping point, and it's high temperature, and it says if you lay it like this, it's safe to lay it down. Plus it has on and off button, so when the light comes on over here, when you put it to charge, that means it's charging. When you take it off, it goes down, and I think it's good for 2 to 4 minutes. Then you plug it back and it charges again. So this one is different. It's a full size, and it is dual temperature, which you can do low and high, and it is auto shut off for up to 30 minutes. So if you leave it plugged in, it'll shut off on itself. But anything you see here, anything you can see here will be linked in the description below to their website. I am not making any commissions. This was gifts from Surebonder. I am really happy, and thank you so much for giving me all this wonderful product. I can't wait to dig in all of this. Okay guys, for this project you will need 2 Dollar Tree frames, and I just picked the 8x10, and I used my Cricut. This is gonna be one, it's the Freddy Song for it, and the other one would be this. I just loved it. So another option for you, if you do not have Cricut, I used to use this, and I'm still using it a lot. It's like a carbon paper, transfer paper, whatever you call it. So you can just print it on a regular printer and then put it on top and trace it over, and then either outline it with the paint or whatever you feel like doing it. So that's an option if you do not have a Cricut to use this. Or you can put it on the window and it kind of outline it as well. So that I have done that too. But that is gonna be a very simple and very cute in my Freddy series, which is my all-time favorite movie. And let's get to it. So, did you like it? I'm just kidding. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to go check out Michelle's video. I will link all the information about her channel in the description box below. So I am so happy we decided to do that. Thank you so much, Michelle, for collaborating with me. That was so much fun and brought so much memories from the childhood for me. So, but if you're one of my new people and you liked what you see, please consider subscribing and becoming a member of my small YouTube family. Just let me know in the comments below so I can welcome you to my family. And if you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. Love you guys very much, and I will see you in the next one real soon. Bye for now.